Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume on your speaker Harman Kardon. So right here at the top of the speaker we have touch controls, and to increase the volume you should press at volume up button what look like a plus, so you press on it or you press and hold on it, and right here we can see that it changed, and also right here in the application we can check it. Now to lower the volume, use volume down button would look like a minus, so again press on it or press and hold on it and you will lower the volume, and we can see it at this widget, and also in the application now it should change. Yeah, so right here we have it, maybe change, yeah, also here. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!